In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert your Word document into a PDF without the need of any software, and it's completely free. So you can, let's say I have this design assignment in Microsoft Word for my students, and the next thing is I am going to save it. This is in Microsoft Word and I'm going to save it to PDF. All I need is to come to File, go to Save As, and then define the location where you want to save it. For example, let's say I want to save it in here in my desktop as a term design assignment. I can make it term design assignment 1, okay, underscore 1, and then I want to save it. Come to the Save As type, go to PDF, and then you can go ahead and save directly. Okay, so this document has now been converted into a PDF, and you can see it has just opened in PDF. And if you go to the desktop, you should be able to see it as well converted into a PDF. You can see it in here. Okay, if you found this helpful, please leave a like.